So I wanted to explain something that's kind of confusing for a lot of people, I think, is that quantum mechanics says that they know something will happen eventually, but they don't know how long, but they know that certain things are guaranteed to happen. And so imagine that this penny in a balloon, right, is a galaxy in a universe. Now, as the galaxy is being resonated, it starts spinning around, right? So it's creating an orbit. But if you were to move in a circle and essentially a larger on the surface of a bubble, the orbit becomes completely erratic. So you know approximately how long it will take to make a loop, but you don't know exactly which path it will take, or if it's going to run into anything. So that's kind of like there's certainty, but there's also a level of uncertainty, and that continues throughout the dimensions. From in the solar system, there's a certain amount of certainty that the sun is just going to keep looping around its black hole, but as it spins around in orbit, it could run into something technically, but we get protected by a big giant cloud of ice, the Oort cloud, which is stuck to the electromagnetic field of the sun, so it creates like a shell in space as we move through space. We're in a giant egg, which is kind of a cool thought. So it's just something that I wanted to share with you to bring a little bit more of a visual to the concept of something that's so complicated, but now it's kind of simple to understand. You know there's going to be a certain amount of revolutions, but you don't know exactly what path it will take. Some paths become stable, right? While other paths are less stable. See, that's making a figure 8. Just get a balloon and play with a penny. I'm serious, it's fun.